Mr. Oleg? Alright, please welcome home, far away from your home. Right, so this is the outside area. So the relaxing area over here. You have also the private pool over here, about 1.2 meters, and also there is a jacuzzi with the roof over there. And allow me to show you the button for the jacuzzi. Okay, this is the button to operate. So the bubble will come from the bottom. Alright. So outside area, I will show you the pantry, the house kitchen. So in the pantry there is an induction, microwave, also the big fridge over here. And we have a special welcome drink for our villa guests, the young coconut. Please enjoy.
Super.
See that? Yeah. So we have inside. Please welcome to the room.
Wow. What is this?
This is the decoration. The special amenities for you, Mr. Oleg. Please enjoy. And also the mini bar is over here. The mini bar is over here. With there also the mini bar, the coffee machine, and the tea and sugar we put inside.
So, what is this?
We go to the bathroom area. There is a 2 wash basin, men and woman, and also the bathtub. The toilet over here, and the shower room. From here you can directly go outside to the pool. And for the privacy, when you take shower, you can close the curtain by push this button. Okay.
So, what is more?
For the wardrobe. So there is an extra pillow, kimono, iron, SDP, and also hair dryer we put over here. And so some slipper. And the other one is the rattan bag with the beach towel inside and the sunscreen. So when you go out, go to the beach or go to the pool, you can bring this one. Also, you can wear the hat also.
Super. Thank you.
Thank And the last one,
Mhm.
for the entertainment, here. So we set up the Apple TV and also the Bose Bluetooth speaker, Mr. Rolex.
Mhm.
And for the room service and everything about our facilities, you can check also on the TV.